はじめまして、ジャクソンです。アメリカ人です。日本語少しだけ話せます。ピンクスタイルのオーナーのジャクソンです。チューニングガラージがあまりのまさわしあります。ピンクスタイルは日本製のどの車でも解除できます。20年以上のチューニングとレーシングの経験あります。子供の頃にゲームをしていて日本車に興味を持ちました。2008年からパーツを売り始めて2016年から会社と知ってピンクスタイルを設立しました。2015年からプロのレースとして走っています。私経験からあなたの車の最強の状態にできます。ありがとう。As you guys can see right there, this is kind of working through some memory stuff. I met Tsunami Kai of GLF, which you guys probably seen on your Facebook and Instagram, a bunch of ads. It's real. As you can see, I just spoke Japanese here. I've been here 16 years, and I've been putting it off and putting it off and putting it off, and thought I would kind of learn by osmosis, and it's not going to work that way if you don't put yourself in positions like that. So if you guys want to learn some Japanese, again, I just started about a week ago, and this is the progress from just a week of training. Learning a couple phrases. I'm busy as hell. I know a lot of you guys out there are busy too, but again, if you want to get on it, go ahead and contact me. I'm working on my code to get everything ready so you can go into my referral program, which I want you guys to do so I can get my numbers up as a member of GLF, and also a partner with Tsunami Kai and everything. So again, guys, I've been in here 16 years. Not being able to have a conversation with my wife fully, kids can't understand what they're saying and they can't understand me. So definitely have to fix it. And also for business, this is being done for business because I want to be able to talk to Japanese clients and everything. So again, if you guys want to get into it, go ahead and mail me at downloadpinkustar.com and I'll get you set up with a code. And so I'll put the code publicly. That way you'll be able to sign up for GLF. It's worth the money. Again, if you want to learn Japanese or learn, if you want to expand your horizon and become more than monolingual, which currently I am monolingual. So yeah, man, it's kind of crazy. Again, only a week of training, and I've been able to spit it out. So as you guys probably see, I'm speaking like a little robotic because I'm actually trying to remember while I'm speaking, which soon I wanted to be fluent and everything. So the way we're training and the way they break it down, it makes it easier for you to kind of remember. And then as you get better, you can put it all together and speak very fast like a native Japanese. So again, guys, if you want to get on it and learn some Japanese, go ahead and check out GLF, Japan Language Factory, and also hit me up for my code so you guys can save a little cash on signing up again. So arigato gozaimasu, and it's going to be down sign up from inside of Osawa, Japan. Pinku Style Garage. See you guys later. Peace.